Lesson 1. Days of the week. Beary, what day is it? It's Tuesday. Hello, it is Monday.
It is Monday. I love Monday.
What do you often do on Monday?
Read me. Read books.
I read books on Monday. Join me, Feather. Yes, I do. I like to read books.
A new day. What day is it?
It's a sunny day.
Yes, it is.
It is Tuesday.
Now remember,
Yes, Miss Calendar.
It is Tuesday. What do you often do on Tuesday? Let me see. I like to read on Tuesday.
I watch TV on Tuesday.
Watch me. Watch TV.
Hello. Can I watch TV with you?
Yes. Let's watch TV on Tuesday.
Yeah!
Lesson 2. Midweek Fun.
Hey!
What day is it today?
It is Wednesday. I love Wednesday.
What do you often do on Wednesday?
Well, let's talk about that. I sing and dance on Wednesday.
Let's sing. Let's dance together.
Yay!
Can I sing and dance too? Yes, come join us.
Yes! Sing and dance on Wednesday. New day, Beary. What day is it?
It's Thursday, Papa. Are we going fishing?
It is Thursday. Time for fun.
What do you often do on Thursday?
We go fishing, Papa. It's the best. I go fishing on Thursday, Papa.
that's right, son. Look, a fish.
Go fishing. Whoa, a fish. I'm going fishing.
I love to go fishing on Thursday.
Wonderful catch, son.
Look, Papa! A fishy! Fishing is great.
Happy Thursday.
The weekend is here. We have so much to learn together. I'm ready for the weekend lesson. What day is it, Beary?
It is Friday. Fun Friday. Yeah, fun! We did it!
What do you often do on Friday?
Well, I like to ride my bike, like this one. I ride my bike on Friday.
Yes, we do.
Ride my bike. It is very fun. Yeah, it is super fun. Hello. What day is it today? It is Saturday, Beary. What do you often do on Saturday?
Well, let's see. I go to church on Saturday.
Yes, we go to church together. Look at me. What day is it? Whoa! It's Sunday. It is Sunday. Family Day. What do you often do on Sunday?
I go to the supermarket on Sunday. It's the best day, isn't it?
Lesson 4. A wonderful week. Beary, what day is it today?
Today is the end of the week.
That's right, let's talk about it. It is Sunday. Let's review.
On Monday, I read books. On Tuesday, I watch TV.
On Wednesday, we sing and dance.
On Thursday, we go fishing.
Yes, we did, son.
On Friday, we ride my bike. Yeah, the best day. On Saturday, I go to church.
And on Sunday, we go to the supermarket. Do you like your week, Beary? Yes, I do. It is my wonderful week.
You are a good boy, Beary.
Papa.
We are so proud of you. A very happy week for everyone. Goodbye. See you next week.